Welcome to Dalimss Sunbeam Group of School, an acknowledged leader among the academic institutions of Varanasi. The group is striding ahead for its greater growth and development, reiterating its position among the eminent institutions of Varanasi. It surges with a vision to prepare dynamic and caring citizens for tomorrow, to be ready for the new challenges of this new world. And in pursuance of this goal, the entrepreneurship program was envisioned by our President, Dr. Pradeep Baba Madhok. This program aims to empower children by providing them with real-world skills, hand-on experience, and a chance to shine beyond the classrooms, with keeping in mind the larger objective of plugging the gap between the education system and the industrial requirements. Let me tell you a secret, even I was a part of this program.
So actually, ma'am, this whole program about the students going to different enterprises, the FMCG companies, resort, and even to certain wholesalers, manufacturers, and some stockbrokers, everything. This came up in the mind because what I see, the trend in the country or in the world, that normally the students who graduate or the students who take up commercial or commerce side of education and the business studies, they are often promoted to go and take such kind of experiences and do some apprenticeship or training.
Right.
But my own vision was that this kind of thought should be inculcated among the students at a very early age, when they are still in their class 10th or 9th or 11th as such. So this is why I had asked you to convene this whole thing and get in touch with certain entrepreneurs. And what I see, that this kind of program that we had, although we started off with 30 students,
Yes, sir.
and finally 11 came up as winners, I must say. And with this kind of apprenticeship program that we had,
Yes.
The experience that our students got, this will go a long way.
Right.
And actually, this kind of a program also makes me remember one of the movies that was made by Amir Khan long back, the Three Idiot movie.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
we actually make our children live our dreams,
Right.
but we should let the students, our children, live their own dreams. So congratulations. At
Thank
least
you.
this was my thought process for sure, but implementing this and bringing this on ground reality, you had a very, very, very major role to play.
Thank you so
And
much,
all
sir.
congratulations,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much, sir. It was a team effort, sir.
Yes,
and
for
all
sure.
under your guidance and your vision.
The Industry-Academia interaction was the first-hand experience for students, business and service organizations for a spectrum of sectors such as textile, legal, digital marketing and branding are roped in for providing the students a first-hand experience about their functioning and operation. The students who undergo this program stand testimony to the growing importance of education and industry importance. They get the opportunity to see the classroom theory coming live through practical life applications. They also get the opportunity to be ready to face the world boldly and learn management skills early on. Let us hear the budding entrepreneurs about their experience.
Hi, I'm Ayushi and I'm here to share my experience about the summer internship.
Hello, I'm Anushka and I'm here to share my personal experience on the summer internship program.
Hello, I'm Vaishnavi and we are the students of Dalimss Sunbeam.
We did this under the mentorship of Mr. Abhinav Roy, the founder of Orange Monkey.
We were motivated by our teachers
And our president of Dalimss Sunbeam Group of Schools, Mr. Pradeep Baba Madhok.
And the school management. This was the first time we had an internship program. It was a very fruitful experience. We realized that business is not just about selling the products, but it's about building the trust.
We had regular meetings in which we had to pitch several schools to our mentor, and we had to pick the one that convinced him the most. He told us about the varieties of digital content and also told us how the digital media works.
We are really grateful and we would like to extremely express our gratitude to our mentor, founder of Orange Monkey.
Our management.
So, hello everyone, my name is Arya Keshri.
And my name is Nitigya Vishwakarma.
We are the student of Dalimss Ramkatora.
We interned at the H.N. Abdul Mateen Fabric and Co. We learned about saris and various kind of textures of saris there. We learned about how saris are collected, how they are made, and how each and every person working at that store is involved in the making of that sari.
We have gone to the real world and learned something practical experience.
I'd like to have some more experience of internship programs because it made me learn something new and something different.
I want to thank my school management.
I would also like to thank the organization in which we worked, which was H.N. Abdul Mateen, and our mentor who mentored us all this time, Mr. Imran Mateen.
Hello everyone, my name is Prapti Upadhyay
This is Madhav Agarwal.
and we are the students of Dalimss Sunbeam School, Ramkatora. So we interned with Mr. Abhinav Roy sir.
Our task was to visit different websites and check out how different schools have presented themselves in social media platforms. And we have learned different techniques to set up our brand and present the products conveniently to the customers.
We also knew how to deal with our customer in very convenient way. We came across with a practical learning which is actually beside from books.
I would definitely like to have such type of internship because it helps us to encourage ourselves and grow better.
I would like to thank Mr. Abhinav Roy sir, owner of Orange Monkey, who motivated us throughout this journey.
Myself Aditya Gupta.
And myself Akhil Mehta.
We are students of Dalimss Sunbeam Ramkatora.
We interned in the Deen Dayal Jalans Private Limited at Durga Konda and VGS Trade Ventures Private Limited in the Lajpat Nagar colony of Maldiya.
We got to know different departments in Deen Dayal Jalans Private Limited, like how the bill counter works, the management, how they manage the different products, etc.
VGS Trade Ventures, we learned about how an FMCG distributes its product to the customers and the stores.
I would definitely recommend this internship program to all of our schoolmates, which gave us a practical experience on about the real world exposure.
Hello everyone, I am Ujay Satnam, student Dalimss Rohania. I did my internship in digital marketing and content creation in Orange Monkey to promote the products or services to consumers. It allows business to reach their target audience online and build brand awareness. I would like to thank my mentor Abhinav sir for guiding me.
Hello everyone, I'm Om, a student of Sunbeam Dalimss Rohania. I had the privilege of doing my internship program at Om Villas, a 5-star retreat where I learned a lot about hospitality, management, luxury, so much more. I would like to thank sincerely our Honorable President Sir and Principal Ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Thank you. I would also like to thank our mentors who guided us throughout the journey of our internship. Mr. Shakti Ma'am, who is the HR head of Om Villas, she was very good to me throughout the journey of my internship at Om Villas.
Any success is incomplete without the parents' cooperation. So, a big shout out to our support system. Let's fly high.
Hello, Sunbeam Dalimss. I am father of Om Pathak, who is studying in STEM institution class 11 science. I am very much glad and thankful to Honorable President Sir and Principal Ma'am, who has given the opportunity to all the students and my son for inculcate and learn something new with the help of internship program. It will make them work in their future and they will be utilize and capitalize such a type of activities in coming futures also. Thankful to sir and ma'am.
Respected teachers and school management. Myself, Kirti Agarwal, who is mother of Madhav Agarwal, studying in Dalimss Sunbeam, Ramkatora. During this summer vacation, an internship was organized by the school and my son was a part of this. I express my gratitude to school for organizing this internship. This internship made my son real world exposure. Whatever knowledge he is getting at school can be applied to practical life. At last, I would like to give my thanks to school, mentors, and everyone who was involved in this. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं नितिज्ञा विश्वकर्मा की मदर हूँ। मेरी बेटी डालिम्स सनबीम स्कूल में पढ़ती है। उसने अपनी गर्मी की छुट्टी के दौरान मतीन सारीज़ में एक इंटर्नशिप की है। कहना चाहूँगी यह स्कूल की तरफ से एक अच्छी पहल है। बच्चे व्यवसाय के वास्तविक कामकाज के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। अपनी स्टडीज़ को इस प्रकार के प्रैक्टिकल ज्ञान से जोड़ सकते हैं। मैं इस अनोखे अनुभव के लिए स्कूल मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी और भविष्य में ऐसी और प्रोजेक्ट्स देखना चाहूँगी। थैंक यू।
So let us take a moment to applaud the business mentors who guided this journey and brought clarity and encouragement. So here are some valued words from them to inspire us even more.
My name is Shakti Singh. I work here at Home Villas and I take care of HR and training department. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to Sunbeam Dalimss for launching the entrepreneurship program at Home Villas. This inspiring initiative is a testament to your unwavering commitment to nurturing innovations, leadership and the real world thinking among the students. By planting the seeds of entrepreneurship early on, you are empowering the young minds to dream boldly, think creatively and become a future trailblazers. Your vision has created a dynamic platform where passion meets the purpose. This program will no doubt spark a new ideas and encourage risk taking and instill a spirit of resilience, values that are the bedrock of any successful entrepreneur. Kudos to the entire team of Sunbeam Dalimss for the transformation step. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. My name is Bhagirath Jalan. I am Managing Director Jalan's Retail. I would like to congratulate Dalimss Group for organizing Dalimss Entrepreneurship Program. It is a proactive approach to provide practical knowledge to young minds, and I always feel that there is a difference between theory and practical. For example, we can tell a student how to swim in theory, like how to do swimming, how is it done, what are the techniques, but the best way to make the student swim is to take them to a swimming pool or to a river. So this approach which they have taken, I think it will provide good experience and exposure to the students, and it will help them shape their mindset for future and maybe also help them in deciding their future careers. And for us who became part, I feel very lucky that I became part of this program. There were few students who came to our stores also and they worked really well. What we learn from them is the young minds are the curious minds, and it helps us also to stay young and relevant. When we interact with them when we answer their queries, we also learn and introspect. So in future also, our group would love to be part of this program. And once again, I congratulate Dalimss for this. Thanks a lot.
This successful completion of a 20 days program has provided strength to school's conviction to make it a routine and encompassing more and more students and industry coming forward.
Entrepreneurship program in our schools are key to shaping future innovators. They teach vital skills like problem solving, creativity, and financial literacy, helping students understand how to turn ideas into reality. This program builds confidence and resilience, preparing students to thrive in a constantly changing world. They learn to be proactive, adaptable, and ready to lead. I would like to thank all the business organizations who help in making this program successful and looking forward to their continued support. Wishing the students also all the very best in taking this experience forward.